Hi friends, in this video tutorial we will study how to sort and filter the data using Power Query in Microsoft Excel. So first click anywhere inside the data, then right click and select Get Data from Table/Range. Select My Table has headers and click on OK. Now you want to sort it first based on teams. So select the team column and click on Sort Ascending. Now within team, I want to sort it on year. So select year and sort ascending. Within that, I want to sort it on last name. So select last name and sort ascending. And finally, select first name and sort ascending. Now you have successfully sorted the data based on team, within team based on year, within year last name, and within year first name. Now the second objective I want to achieve is I want to filter the data and see only those teams whose name is either blue herons or goblins. So I'll click on this drop down over here and select text filters and select equals. Now over here I will select equals. So here you have advanced. So you can select advanced and you can select the column name team equals and you can select blue herons or team equals goblins and then select OK. So now you have filtered the data and it is showing you only blue herons and goblins. Now within blue herons and goblins, I want to see all those people whose years contributed is 3 or greater. So now I'll click on the year column, click on this drop down, click on number filters and select greater than or equal to, and over here type 3 and then click on OK. So these are the 7 people whom I am interested in seeing. After that, you can click on Close and Load and it will transfer those 7 people's data into Microsoft Excel. Remember, your original sheet or the original data is safe over here. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to sort and filter the data using Power Query in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.